In this recording in our series of drill recognition, we're going to show you how to use drill recognition for a single tool. In this particular case, I'm going to drill out this hole here, which is a 6.5 millimeter hole, and how it picks up that diameter automatically as well as its depth. So we'll start by going into drill recognition. We'll go into choosing our geometry. And I'm going to go to my filters. In my filters, I'll go to hole diameter. I'll click on the first field where it says from, and then click on that hole. When I click on that hole, you'll note it'll give me the value for that hole, plus the to field will also be the same diameter. This way, keeping it for only that diameter. That's all I want to do right now. I'll click on find holes, and it'll find me all the holes that have that one diameter. And if I had them in different levels, it will find them there as well. I'll just simply click on OK. I will create a tool for this. In this particular case, I'm going to create a drill that is according to that diameter hole. I'll just move this down, highlight that field, and click on that particular hole, thereby putting in the value for that hole over there. The rest is your regular normal drill settings. Now, in my levels, I only want to do one thing. I'll go to depth edit. I only have one group, so no issue over here. In my depth type, I want to have it go to my full diameter of the tool, as this is a through hole, to go all the way through the hole so the diameter passes through the very bottom of the hole. I'll just say apply, accept that, and I'll just do save and calculate. If I take a look at my simulation, let's put it at a side view so you can see it going through the part. You'll see the following. The tool will go down to that hole, then it'll go to the bottom of that hole. Of course, if I wanted, I could have given it also a delta value as well. So you know what? Let's go back and go into my levels. And I'd like to add to the group also a specific delta value. So I'll go to delta depth, open that up, and I'll give it a delta depth of, say, -1 millimeter. I'll apply that. Now take a look at simulation after I'd saved and calculated. And we'll see the following. The tool this time will go down to the beginning. Now let's take a look at the very end, and it goes just past the bottom, 1 millimeter past the bottom. And this will do this for all the holes that I have over there.